Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to delete search history in Shein application on Android device. Well, deleting your search history helps protect your privacy by removing traces of your browsing activity. This can be particularly important if your device with others or if you are concerned about third parties accessing your search history. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first open Shein application. And now click the search box. After that, tap the trash icon here. Okay, lastly, you can click clear all option. Okay, so now your search history is successfully removed. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to delete search history in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.